ne mumyuka ateekateeka Honorable Muizi Samuel ne Honorable Ssewungu ne Honorable Wabaka Kawalya ne Honorable Mwadanku Nyingi tusobole okulaba nga tukwasaganya enteekateeka zino ez'okuseebula muganda waffe.
Briefly in English.
Yeah, of course, what was delaying us a bit was about the clearance of the medical bills, which has been done by Parliament, and our brother has been taken to a funeral home, then after to the headquarters of our party. And again, we have sat down and organized ourselves into a committee, which is going to be headed by Honorable Mwanga Kivumbi. I myself will be his vice, and Honorable Muizi will be a member, and Honorable Ssewungu, Honorable Mwadanku Nyingi, and the Honorable Kawalya Abubakar, plus other members of the family, to see to it that our Honorable colleague, his farewell is befitting.